Yo, I'm 𝐃𝐞𝐬𝐜 over here, and as you guys can see today, I'm sitting very comfortably in a Rolls Royce. Now, let's check it out. Introducing Rolls-Royce Wraith. Look at this magnificent beast. Just wow. Okay, so let's have a closer look. This car is powered by a V12 engine, producing 623 horsepower and 800 Newton meters of torque. This beast is fast and powerful and luxurious. Look at this, how beautiful this car. Just wow, I really love this color tone. I mean, look at this. So classy, okay? One thing I really like about Rolls Royces are the center cap. You know, when your wheel is moving, the RR logo there will stay centered always. Of course, one of the highlights is a suicide door, but before we open it, check out the soft close. So smooth. Okay, and now, look at how wide this door opens. So it is easy for you to get in and out of this luxury vehicle. And now that the door is open, it's time for us to go in. All right, we are inside, and this is what it looks like from driver's perspective. Okay, first things first, let's check out the famous Rolls-Royce umbrella. We press this. Yes. So cool. All right, and as you can see, this door opens far and wide. So, in order for you not to stretch out too far, look. It helps me close. Okay, now let's start it up. Wow. Okay, and of course, to reveal your infotainment. Very beautiful, very classy. I mean, look at this, guys. This car is a pinnacle of elegance, class, and luxury. Look at all this. Just wow. All I can say is wow. Of course, seats are fully electric and with memory. I think it's needless to say. I think over here we should just appreciate the craftsmanship of this beautiful car. Okay, the speedometer cluster. One thing I want you to notice is the mileage. This car is 9 years old and the mileage is only 16,000 kilometers. This is so little. That's about 1 year worth of driving only, okay? And it's a Rolls Royce, so behind, it is also very comfortable. Look at this, absolutely stunning automobile, okay? So I guess a lot of you are wondering, how much do you gotta shell out in order to get hold of this magnificent beauty? All right, so guys, this car is selling with a brand new COE, and you can get it for less than $1 million for such a beautiful Rolls-Royce Wraith. Just wow. If you want this car, you all know what to do. Call me. 𝐷𝐸𝐴 give you a good deal.